Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, someone might be looking for a reliable way to transport their DJI Neo drone and its accessories, and this Neo carrying case could be just the solution. This isn't just any bag. It's specifically designed for the DJI Neo drone and the RC-N3 remote controller, along with those essential accessories. Right away, you notice it's made from a unique PU leather material. This isn't just for looks, it's part of what provides the full protection for the drone and its components. The case is precisely molded, meaning it's shaped to fit the drone and controller snugly, offering excellent protection against damage and scratches while someone is on the move. It keeps everything secure and in good condition. One of the standout features is its waterproof capability. That unique PU material isn't just durable, it's designed to withstand rain and splash water. This means someone doesn't have to worry quite so much if they get caught in unexpected weather while traveling to their shooting location. It adds a layer of confidence, knowing the gear is protected from the elements. Storage is also well thought out. Inside, there's a mesh pocket with a zipper. This is perfect for keeping smaller accessories organized, like extra propellers or cables. The zipper ensures these smaller items don't fall out and get lost, keeping everything tidy and accessible. Portability is key for drone users, and this case makes it easy to carry. It's designed to fit easily into a larger backpack or travel bag if someone needs to pack it away. But for quick trips, it has a non-slip handle for a secure grip. Plus, it comes with a shoulder strap, which is great for hands-free transport. Someone can quickly put it on or take it off, making it convenient for various activities like hiking, camping, or heading out for an outdoor shooting session. It's built for convenience and mobility. When someone gets this product, they will receive the Neo drone portable carrying case itself and a shoulder strap. It's important to note that the drone and other accessories are not included, as this is just the case designed to hold them. It's a dedicated storage and transport solution focused on protecting the gear. Overall, it seems like a practical and protective option for anyone who frequently travels with their DJI Neo drone and wants to keep it safe and organized.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.